Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPod Max 2 to your iPhone. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so the new AirPod Max come in this case. What you're going to do first is you're going to take it off of the case. And as you can see, it's automatically connecting to my iPhone because I have already used these AirPods for like a month. But what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to settings and you're going to select Bluetooth. Now here, in case you don't see the new AirPods, you should be able to see them as a new device. So right here at the bottom, you will see them as AirPods or AirPods Max, but it's going to be under on other devices. Now, when you see that, you're going to tap on it and that's it. After it's connected, you can simply put it on and start enjoying your music on Spotify or YouTube. I hope this video helped you and don't forget to like and subscribe.